Hey you guys, today is another product review video, and this here in this box is a portable shampoo bowl. I ordered it off of Amazon from a company called Dompel, Dompel is how it was spelled on the Amazon website, and it came in this box here. This box right here. I hope y'all can hear me. I got the the dryer going on in the background. This is the box that it came in, and I ordered it on the 16th. It actually arrived on the 20th with a projected delivery date of the 21st to the 23rd of May. So I actually got it a little bit early. So, and it was delivered to me by UPS. So, yeah. So first thing I noticed right away is that on the box itself, you can see the company, it has this QR code here, which leads you to a video that actually shows you how to assemble it. And I watched it, but I didn't put it together yet. So I'm going to go ahead and show you all what it came with. So it's supposed to be really easy assembly. So I have my packing slip here, or my receipt. This is looks like the base, the bottom part of it, of the stand. So I'm gonna take that out, and I guess y'all gonna put it together with me. So hold on. Okay, there we go. Sorry for all the shakiness. So this is the base. All right, set that over there. Then we have, these look like a couple bars, suppose. So these are gonna go into this. Let's see this. Okay, I see right away that it's got a little manual inside. It's got the hoses, the sprayer. Okay, so it's got the drainage hose and it got the sprayer in there. So I'll take that out. And then here is the actual bowl itself. Okay, so this is everything. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 parts that it came with. So this is, I'm assuming, really easy assembling. So let's get assembling. Focus lines. Okay. Okay, so the bottom of the base is flat, so it has no wheels. So wherever it's being propped up at, that's where it's going to stay. Okay. So it comes with some type of plastic ring here, or rubber ring, and it comes with this plastic stopper thing. This is the instruction manual. Let's see how to put this thing together. But like I said, you can watch the video as well. They have a video as to how to set it up. So, okay, so this manual comes in English and in Portuguese. We have two different languages on here. So let me go to the English part. First, it says, install your Dompel product in a level and non-grooved place, avoiding rocking and vibration. This place must be airy, but can't have direct incidence of sunlight and has to be far away from heat sources, such as the stove, ovens, and flammable products. Included shower hose and water entrance adapter set. So this must be the water entrance, and this is the shower hose adapter. Okay, it says cleaning and maintenance. Do not use metal spatulas, brushes, and cleaning agents such as alcohol, acetone, kerosene, gasoline, bleach, thinner, solvents, acids, vinegar, or other chemicals or abrasives not recommended in this manual. To clean it easily, it is recommended to use a solution with warm water and neutral soap, and after dry carefully. Plastic parts can be washed with boiling water. Oh, plastic parts can't be washed with boiling water. Do periodical cleaning on your equipment. Accumulated dust can affect the beauty of the product. Alright, so first step, manually insert the outer tube set. And this is supposed to be adjustable, so this is the tube set here. Let's see which goes first. Looks like this goes first. Alright, there we go. Step 2, it says to manually insert the inner tube into the basin. One thing I want to mention about this basin is I bought this rubber piece right here for the neck, or actually I think it's silicone. This did not come with the basin. It was this did not come with the bowl. It's separate. And so if you go online, they have two different kinds. They have one that comes with this neck piece, and it's a little more expensive, I believe, than the one without. The one without was showing at $98, and the one with was showing at like 100 and like maybe 120 or something like that, 115, something along those lines. So who knows what it'll be by the time this video goes up. But yeah, just know I had to purchase this by itself, and I paid about $9 for it. Okay. So yeah, pull these off. flip this over. It says put the inner tube in. Right. Make sure it's secure. It says. Alright, that feels secure. And then with the tube, hold on. Okay. Okay. So this is about how long it is. Looks a decent size to me, a decent length. Right. That's that. Now it's saying to assemble these two pieces together. Let me prop y'all up some so y'all can see. Okay. Well, I've tightened it as much as possible. Dog hair up in there. Now, let's see what's next. Now it says insert the shower hose. So this is the shower hose. Dang, I'm sorry, that was not good at all. Get off the charger. Alright, plastic drain. I don't know what this little rubber piece is for. Yeah, I literally have no idea what this little piece is for. It just came in the thing, and it's nowhere on the manual. I don't know if y'all could see that. Like, it doesn't say what this piece here is for. But yeah. So, let's take out off of the stand. This is it. This is the finished. This is the shampoo bowl. That's the shampoo bowl. So my daughter gonna be resting her head right here. We'll be shampooing. And that's that. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I guess I will let you know how this works. All right. Bye.